How do I redeem Minecoins?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how you can redeem your Minecoins in Minecraft. Minecoins are a virtual currency that you can use to purchase a variety of content from the Minecraft marketplace.
What are Minecoins?
Before we dive in, let's talk about what Minecoins are. Minecoins are Minecraft's in-game currency, which you can use to buy skins, texture packs, maps, and more from the Minecraft marketplace. They're available for purchase in real-world money.
Where can I get Minecoins?
Now that we know what Minecoins are, let's talk about how to get them. You can purchase Minecoins from several sources. 1. Directly in Minecraft. You can buy Minecoins right in the game from the Minecraft store. 2. Gift cards. You can also buy Minecoin gift cards at various retail stores. These come with a code that you can redeem.
How do I redeem Minecoins?
Now, for the main event, how to redeem your Minecoins. If you have a gift card or a code, here's what you need to do. 1. Open Minecraft. Start by launching the game. Make sure you're signed into your account. 2. Go to the store. Once you're in the game, navigate to the store section. 3. Select Redeem a Code. Look for an option that says Redeem a Code or something similar. Click on it. 4. Enter your code. Now, type in your Minecoin code. Make sure you enter it correctly. 5. Click Redeem. Once you've entered your code, click on the Redeem button. And that's it. Your Minecoins should now be added to your account, and you can start using them to buy fun and exciting content from the Minecraft marketplace. Thank you for watching this video on how to redeem Minecoins. We hope that this guide has been helpful to you. Now, you can purchase and redeem Minecoins to enjoy a variety of content from the Minecraft marketplace. Happy gaming!